Here I'm leveling across the sheet of drywall in line with the bottom windowsill plate, and I'm scribing a line all the way across. Now I'm going to measure from the bottom sill plate of the window to the top windowsill plate, and I will transfer this mark to the other side of the drywall. Once you have done this, just line up the level with both marks and scribe a line all the way across. Now here I'm measuring from the jack stud of the inside of my window to the factory edge of my drywall. I'm going to transfer this number now to the outside of the drywall, which will help us with our marks to cut out the window later on. Now that we have our window marked out, we can go ahead and finish screwing all the way around our window plates. Now just finish attaching all of your screws every 15 to 20 centimeters around all edges and through the centers about every 20 to 30 centimeters. Make sure to finish screwing off your sheet as you go. This will limit your chance of missing any screws on your drywall.